colors. Bray Bray, what do we do with your eggs?
Can we take these out?
No.
Why?
Are we going to keep them in there forever?
Well,
1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 3.
can we see the eggs?
No.
But how are we going to see what they look like?
They're bear cats. My favorite.
Bray, can we take them out now?
No.
Here, let Daddy take them out.
No.
They've been in there for half an hour.
No.
You want to put stickers on them?
No.
Yes, well I got to take them out for stickers.
No.
You can't, well, you going to put the stickers in the water?
That will be silly. A scissor in water? That's a deep dive. Okay, man, let's make it. And once again.
No, we've done enough with the bowls.
Look, fun eggs. Mine is
Alright,
going
you've done enough. You've taken it far enough out of the water.
Thank you. It's done yet.
Bray Bray, say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Yay!
Happy Easter.
Say Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
See, I don't know why I'm not in color.
Ta-da! Ta-da! My favorite Easter
Get out of there.
I did it!
Yeah, I need that to take out Mimi's.
Bray Bray, I love you.
Can I do it?
No.
I love you. I love you.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
Look at you.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
How many eggs are there, Bray?
1 big, 2, 1.
No.
No, 2.
You said it before. 2.
2.
Count 1, 2.
1, 2, 3. That's big.
No, 2.
That's 2.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. 3.
Look at mommy. Look at mommy's camera. I love you.
Someone fart.
Mike.
Hurry up, you're disgusting.
Okay, on that note.